We welcome all of you in our online learning program. In this program, I will discuss here application of derivative. That is called maxima and minima. It is very important topic of this chapter, right? It is the second part of the application of derivative और इसमें generally 6 marks का question आता है and it is very important regarding point of view of examination. Suppose there is a curve and let us consider this is the curve, right? If I draw the tangent at that point, draw the tangent at that point, draw the tangent at that point, which is parallel to x-axis, which is parallel to x-axis, and it means the slope is theta and slope is equal to tan theta, and it is defined as dy by dx, right? If it is 0, it means I can say the all tangents are parallel to axis. So these points are shows at point of maxima and these points are called minima. So many point of maxima and minima in curves. डेफिनेटली तो दोनों मैक्सिमा भी हो सकते हैं और दोनों मिनिमा. ये मैक्सिमा मिनिमा को प्रूव करने का तरीका है. इसमें आपके जनरली जो हैं वो 2 मेथड होते हैं. एक तो फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट, फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट, और दूसरा होता है second derivative test, second derivative test. Okay, and the name of the second derivative test is local maxima and minima. So how I can explain maxima here? So first I will discuss here second derivative because it is very important for all of you, right? So how I will find out and how I will be sort out my problem. Suppose this is your question, fx is equal to x square minus 2x is here. So I will differentiate it. This is f dash x is equal to 2x minus 2. So I will write down now for point of local maxima or minima, I can say f dash x is 0, it means the slope is 0. So I can say 2 minus this is 0. So this can be write down as 2. So this can be write down as x is equal to 1. So this is our point. This is called point of either maxima or minima, right? So I have find out here a point. Now I am testing it whether it is maxima or minima. I will be differentiated. This is fx. So its differentiation is 2 only. It means if I put x is equal to 1 here, so it is plus. So we can say it is positive. So I will say x is equal to 1 is a point of local maxima. Right? Now, how will we find out the value of local maxima? Local maximum value. Local maximum value. तो हमने पॉइंट ऑफ लोकल मैक्सिमा तो फाइंड आउट कर लिया. अब हम इसकी वैल्यू निकालना चाह रहे हैं, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस पॉइंट को कर्व के अंदर रख देंगे. दिस इज 1, so this will be is equal to 1 and this is equal to this is. So this value is called local minimum value. X is a point of local minima. Local minima. Because it is positive. अगर ये नेगेटिव होता तो हम इसको लिखते मैक्सिमा पॉइंट, मिनिमा. Right? So this is nothing but second derivative test, and it is very simple. You can sort out your problems very easily. Now I want to discuss some other problems. 2x cube, 2, this is question, this is 2x cube, right? And it is minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20. How I will be sort out this problem? First I will be differentiated. This is f dash x. This is 6x square. This is 42x and this is plus 36. फिर हम लिखेंगे for local maxima and minima point. Minima point. What I will do? I will do f dash x is equal to 0 x square minus 42x plus 36 is equal to 0. 6 इसमें से कॉमन ले लेते हैं. x square 742 और plus this is 6. So this I can say x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now I will use a middle term, a split function system. This is x square minus 7x plus 6x is 0. So I will write down 6x minus x plus 6 is equal to 0. I will take common from here. X is equal to x minus 6. This is minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So I will write down here x minus 6, that is equal to 0. So I can say x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 6. X is equal to this, so I can say x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 6. But I don't know whether x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 6 is a point of local maxima or minima. right? So now it was a term of differentiation. This is fx, f double dash x is equal to 6 x square minus 7x plus x, right? So it is a condition of, I will differentiate it, this is f dash x, I will differentiate it second time, this is 6, this is 2x and this is 7, right? Now I will put the value x1 and this is for x is equal to 1. So this is equal to 6 and this equal to 2. So this I can say plus 12, right? So we can say it is positive. It is positive. So I can say x is equal to 1 is a point of minima. Similarly, if I put their value in a first function, so that will be the value of first minima function. So similarly, if I put the value of 6 here, so it means this is 6 and this is 12 minus, oh, this is wrong, this is not 12, so this can be write down as, this is 2, this is 7, this is not here, this is minus, this is 6 and this is minus, so this is minus 30. So it is a point of maxima. This is a point of maxima, right? Similarly, I will put here, this is 12 and this is 7. So I can say this is 6 and this is 5. So here value is 30. So we can say it is positive. So I will say x is equal to 6 is a point of local maxima. It means here is so many points which can be maxima and minima. So this is nothing but it a सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट, यानी कि आप कोई भी फंक्शन लें उसको 2 बार डेरिवेटिव करके आप उससे पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमा एंड मिनिमा निकाल सकते हैं. नाउ आई वांट टू डिस्कस certain very important questions. So first of all, I am interested to write their formula. First होता है rectangle. Rectangle is nothing but it is a figure which consists 2 sides. The one side is called x and other side is called y. So there will be 2 formulas. One is called area. Area is equal to xy. What is the other? Other is here. This is called perimeter. So perimeter is equal to x plus y. Right? This is rectangle formula. Another formula for the right angle triangle. This is h, means hypotenuse, this is x, and this is suppose y. These are the 2 sides of right angle triangle, and h be the. So what is a area of right angle triangle? This is half into a base into side, a base into height. This is for the right angle triangle, not other kind of triangle. And what is another formula for it in second case? This is your first formula, and what is the second formula? Second formula is square of hypotenuse is equal to square of two other sides. So these are the two important formula. ये देखने में बहुत छोटे छोटे लग रहे हैं, लेकिन इन पर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं जो थोड़े से मुश्किल होते हैं. अब हम बनाते हैं सिलेंडर. दिस इज योर सिलेंडर फिगर. दिस इज व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर, right? This is nothing but is the radius of the cylinder. So I will write down the two important cylinder. First formula, this is called volume. Volume is equal to pi r square h. The volume is the total space inside the cylinder. दूसरा होता है सरफेस एरिया, टोटल सरफेस एरिया. टोटल सरफेस एरिया इज 2 pi r h, means it is nothing but it is the area of this curved area. We can say this is, suppose your pen, it is a kind of cylinder. It is a kind of cylinder. So this area is called curved area, right? There is a one area is this, one area. This is both and is closed. So we can say the total area will be 2 pi r square. And another formula is here, curved area. Curved area is only 2 pi RH. There is nothing but are the three important formulas. Three important formula for the cylinder. This is closed end. This is enclosed end, and this is another cylinder, open end. Open end, it means it's one end is open, it means like a glass. तो ग्लास में जो ऊपर वाला एरिया होता है वो खाली होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड ओपन. सो इन दिस केस द वॉल्यूम इज सेम. Volume is not different, but the surface area will be different. Pi RH. This is only pi r square. This is only pi r square. So what will be the curved area? This will be remain same. So this is the very important formula related to the cylinder. There is also another important figure which is most probably used in a maxima minima. एक और फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास, एक और फिगर है. आई थिंक आप लोग सब जानते हैं कि दिस फिगर इज अ कोन, राइट. दिस इज कॉल्ड हाइट. इसको हाइट बोलते हैं, इसको रेडियस बोलते हैं, इसको स्लांट हाइट बोलते हैं. तो सबसे पहला फॉर्मूला आता है कोन का. दिस इज फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला. दिस इज वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू 1/3 pi r square h. Right? Another formula is surface area. this is pi r l plus pi r स्क्वायर, यानी कि ये जो कर्व्ड एरिया है वो पाई आर होता है और इसको भी इंक्लूड कर दें तो पाई आर स्क्वायर। अगर हम सिर्फ कर्व्ड एरिया की बात करें, this is pi r l and there is some relation between height radius and slant height. It is also important. This is h square plus, right? There is another thing is most probably given here. This is called angle. This called semi-vertical angle. This is what called semi-vertical angle. This is अल्फ़ा। अल्फ़ा भी हो सकता है, थीटा भी होता है, लेकिन जनरली किताबों में अल्फ़ा लिखा होता है तो मैंने भी अल्फ़ा ही यूज़ किया है। Another important figure in this chapter is also called sphere. I think all of you are familiar about this figure. This is sphere. आप कहोगे सर ये तो सर्किल है। दिस इज़ 3-dimensional फिगर। सर्किल भी ऐसे ही बनता है और स्फीयर भी ऐसे ही बनता है। स्फीयर का स्फीयर मीन्स होता है 3-dimensional फॉर्मूला। अब यहाँ पर हम 3-dimensional फार्मूला नहीं बना सकते। अगर हम चाहें इसको 3-dimensional करना तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे शेड कर दें तो ये 3-dimensional बन जाएगी। थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे चेंजेस करते हैं, लाइट पोर्शन हम इसमें दिखा दें, बट दिस इज स्फीयर। दिस इज स्फीयर कंसिडर। So what will be the volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube, and what will be the surface area? This is 4 pi r square. If it is semi-vertical sphere, if it is semi-vertical sphere is like hemi, not semi. सेमी जो होता है वो सर्किल में होता है और हेमी जो होता है वो स्फीयर में होता है। तो नाउ देयर अनदर फिगर इज हेमीस्फीयर। हेमीस्फीयर। What is hemisphere? This is volume. Volume is half of the complete volume. Right? What is surface area? The surface area is 2 pi r square, but this is only for that side. Right? But जब हम हेमिस्फीयर बोलते हैं ये भी इसके अंदर इंक्लूड हो जाता है, तो इसके अंदर हमारा प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर और इंक्लूड हो जाएगा, तो टोटल result will be 3 pi r square. So there are few diagrams, few formulas which is related to this chapter. This is called maxima and minima, which are very important, and there is also certain important figure. कंबाइंड फिगर्स भी इसके अंदर होती हैं, जैसे ये आपका एक कोन दिया हुआ है और कोन के अंदर एक सिलेंडर बनाया हुआ है, तो इसका मतलब एट ए टाइम 2 फिगर्स को यूज़ किया गया है। जैसे ये आपको एक स्फीयर बनाया हुआ है, स्फीयर में एक फिगर हमें मैक्सिमम बनानी है, this is called cone. So here is also 2 figures used, right? If this is your sphere and here is nothing but a cylinder is formed inside, again there is a 2 figure used, okay? and if somewhere is given this is your cylinder, okay, and I consider this portion is, so here is a use of hemisphere and cylinder. So this is nothing but it is a explanation of the figure and formulae related to the figure. Now, how I can make our question is easy. First write down here prove and here write down given. जब भी आप मैक्सिमा और मिनिमा के क्वेश्चंस करते हैं तो आप दो वर्ड्स लिख लीजिए, प्रूव एंड गिवन। मैं एक क्वेश्चन पढ़ता हूँ, सी द क्वेश्चन इज शो दैट फॉर ऑल रेक्टेंगल with given parameter, show that for show that of all the rectangles, show that of all rectangle with a given parameter, right? The square has largest area. The square has largest area. It means it is a question related to the लोकल मैक्सिमा एंड मिनिमा। मैंने आपको बताया था इसमें दो वर्ड आप पहले ही लिख लीजिएगा क्वेश्चन पढ़ने से पहले ही। एक तरफ आप लिख लीजिएगा गिवन और दूसरी तरफ लिख लीजिएगा टू प्रूव, राइट? आप इसमें सिर्फ दो वर्ड ढूंढिएगा कि किसको प्रूव करना है और क्या चीज़ इसके अंदर गिवन है। तो कंसंट्रेट योरसेल्फ, शो दैट ऑल द रेक्टेंगल, इट मीन्स फिगर क्या है आपकी, रेक्टेंगल है, इसमें इसका पेरीमीटर गिवन है, दिस इज गिवन। So it means I will write down immediately the formula of perimeter on the side of given and largest area. It means I am interested to prove the area is largest. Area is largest. So I will write down the formula here. It is x into y. Now forget the question what the other thing is given। और अब आप क्वेश्चन को भूल जाइएगा कि यहाँ पर क्या दिया हुआ है, क्या प्रूव करना हुआ है। इन दो क्वेश्चंस पे आप कंसंट्रेट कर लीजिए। इसमें भी दो वेरिएबल हैं, आप इसमें भी दो वेरिएबल हैं, इसमें भी दो वेरिएबल है। अब इसमें से वैल्यू निकाल के किसकी, जिसकी भी आप चाहें, और दूसरे में रख दें। जिसकी आप वैल्यू निकालते हो उससे अदर के विद रेस्पेक्ट टू इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दें। तो जनरली हम डिफरेंशिएशन किस में करते हैं, एक्स में करते हैं, तो हमारे लिए इसमें y निकालना आसान रहेगा। तो दिस इज 2x, तो 2y इज इक्वल टू p माइनस 2x एंड दिस इज p by 2। Right? Now put this value is here. This is x and this is p minus 2x upon 2. This is a is equal to xp by 2 minus 2x square by 2. 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया. Now this is xp by 2 माइनस, बस अब आपके लिए ये रिलेशन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. दिस इज थिंक दैट दिस इज नथिंग बट इट इज योर algebraic expression, and here I am interested to find out local maxima and minima points. So how I will be do it? I will differentiate it. इसको focus करिए on taking differentiation, on taking differentiation. So I will be write down dA by dx, which is p by 2, and here is minus 2x. फिर लिखिए for local maxima and minima. I can say dA over dx is equal to 0. So I can put p is equal to 2x is equal to 0. So I can say this is 2x is equal to p by 2 here p by 4. This is nothing but is a point. Now I will be test whether it is positive or negative. I will differentiate it again. So I will differentiate it this क्योंकि f a is equal a and dA by dx जो आपका बचा था वो यहाँ पर बचा था p by 2 minus 2x. I will differentiate it again. This is dA by dx square. This is minus 2. अगर हम इसमें at x is equal to p by 4 लगाते हैं तो this is maxima. तो it is called point of local maxima. It is x is equal to p by 4 is a point of local maxima. Local maxima. So this is not simple. Oh, this is not so typical for all of you. This is very basic and this is a simple thing. Now I want to discuss another condition also. Here is in question, another question is given. Square has the largest area. Square. Now focus at that point. What do you mean by the square? The mean by the square, all sides of the rectangle are equal and all sides of rectangle equal का मतलब क्या होता है कि वो साइड जो है वो जो फिगर है वो एक स्क्वायर ही हो सकती है. तो इसको चेक करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, दो चीज़ों को पकड़ लेते हैं. एक तो हमारा ये पॉइंट है, पॉइंट हमारा क्या आया है x इज इक्वल टू p बाई 4, इसको पकड़ लेते हैं और एक हम इसको पकड़ लेते हैं. राइट इसमें हम ये कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि रेक्टेंगल जो है वो स्क्वायर होगा. इसका मतलब उसकी साइड्स बराबर करते हैं तो इसके अंदर जो हमारा ऑड फैक्टर होता है उसको रिमूव कर देते हैं. तो हम यहाँ पर p की जगह क्या लिख सकते हैं 4x. दिस इज 2y. सो दिस इज 2x इज इक्वल टू 2y. सो x इज इक्वल टू Why? It is a square. It is a square. Right? So it means it is very simple and easy question. So this is not so typical. देखने में ये questions बहुत छोटे लगते हैं, होते बड़े question हैं, लेकिन जब हम इन्हें करने बैठते हैं तो होते भी easy हैं. अब यही question आपको इस तरह से दिया जा सकता है. Show that for a with all rectangle given area and least parameter. तो क्वेश्चन बदल गया, आपको ये क्वेश्चन बदल गया. बाकी सब चीज़ें आपकी सेम हैं. तो आप फिर इसमें क्या करोगे, दो चीज़ें लिखोगे. एक तरफ आप गिवन लिखोगे और दूसरी तरफ आप लिखोगे टू प्रूव. What is given here? The given is xy. And you are interested to put here p is equal to 2x plus y. This. You are interested to prove it is maximum and it is given. So from here I will find out x by a. This is a by x. This is a by x, and I will eliminate it here. X is equal to 2. This is a by x. So this is what? This is 2x. This is 2a by x. I will be differentiated. This is dp over dx. This is 2 and this is minus 2a x square. Right? Now I will put for local maxima and minima. For local maxima and minima, I will put dp over dx is equal to 0. This is 2a by x square is equal to 0. So this can be written down as x square is equal to a. So I can say x is equal to root a. Right? So this is your point. Now I am interested to prove this is nothing but it is a point of maxima. I will differentiate it again. This is the second order derivative. This is 0 and this is 2a by x square. At x is equal to root a, right? It is always negative. It is always negative. So it is nothing but it is a point of local maxima. So x is equal to root a is a local maximum point. ठीक है? तो आप local minimum point, I think there is a certain problem. If I differentiate it, अगर हम इसको differentiate करते हैं तो its differentiation dp by dx square is equal to 2a by x cube. So it is always positive. It is always positive. So it is least. It means or minima. Right? But again I will be solve it. It is a square. It is a square. So I will put the values here. X. This is x square xy. So I can say it is a square. It is a square. Right? So rest question I will be discussing in our next lecture. There is so many questions. It is a very lengthy chapter. It is very important regarding point of view एग्जाम. एग्जाम में इसके बहुत अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन आते हैं. 6 नंबर का एक क्वेश्चन ज़रूर आता है. तो कंसंट्रेट ऑन दैट चैप्टर ऑल्सो. Right? So thank you very much for your cooperation and thank you very much for your concentration.